Let us raise our right hand for our oath as players. I state your name, Dadan, a player of the Star Magic All-Star Games 2025, do solemnly swear to participate with humility, to follow the rules accordingly, and to respect the decisions of the officials. I will strive to give my best and play wholeheartedly, accepting whatever the outcome of the game may be, for the honor of the sport I am enjoying, and to provide joy to our Star Magic family and to everyone who continues to support and love each and every one of us.
And then, mag-VTR. 1 minute.
Please guide me, Lord.